In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Shopify Pagefly. Whether you're new to Shopify or a seasoned user, adding a contact form is a great way to enhance customer interaction on your website. Now, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed with these steps. After logging in, navigate over to the left side menu of the Pagefly editor. Here, you'll want to click on the Elements icon, which you'll find as the third icon from the top. This menu is your gateway to a myriad of features that Pagefly offers to tweak and enhance your website's design. Next, direct your attention to the element catalog. From here, you'll see a tab specifically labeled Shopify. This tab contains all the careful, Shopify-specific elements you can use to enrich your store's functionality. Your next task is to find the customer form element. Once located, it's a simple matter of dragging and dropping it onto the chosen area of your page, aligning it with the design you're envisioning. Now, to make your contact form truly useful, you'll need to incorporate more specific fields. Think about what information you want to gather, such as a name or a personalized message. To do this, you can easily drag and drop the customer form field element into the main customer form area. Don't forget about the Submit button, which is crucial for allowing customers to send their information. You can add this by using the Customer Form button element right from the same Shopify tab. Once your form structure is in place, it's time to personalize it. The Pagefly editor offers versatile styling options to make the form align with your website's aesthetic. You can play around with appearance settings and even define how the form behaves once a customer hits that Submit button. Maybe you'd like to show a success message or direct them to a different page. These are all possibilities you can set up. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, the final step is crucial. Remember to save your changes. It ensures all your hard work remains intact and ready to go live on your website. And there you have it. A fully functioning contact form, ready to capture queries and feedback from your site visitors. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to improving the way you interact with your customers on Shopify. Thank you for watching and have a great day customizing your online store.